What's going on today, guys? I just want to interrupt the video real quick and give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor of today's video is going to be MCGAUGHYS Auto Lighting. The link to their Instagram will be in the description below, so make sure to go check that out. They sent me this 32-inch light bar to go on my truck, and I need your help to figure out where to put it. So leave some comments below about where I should put this on the truck, whether it should go underneath, under the grill, behind the grill. Let me know. Put some comments below. Huge shout out to McTuning for sending this to me. More stuff on the way. Make sure y'all go hit up that link in the description. Check out their stuff. It's awesome. So let's get back to the video. What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic. It is a cold ass morning here in Atlanta, Georgia. It is 51 degrees, 48 when I walked out the door. Huge shout out to Mother Nature for the cold start up this morning. Today's gonna be a very eventful day, I should say that. Today is the first day that I genuinely feel like a YouTuber. I'm off all day, I'm filming all day. I've got all kinds of crap to do for my truck, her truck, just all kinds of stuff. So, on the list of different things to do today. Again, huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, McTuning. Leave some comments below what you guys think I should do with that light bar. I really don't know. It'll probably end up in the grill, and you know, we'll figure something out, but leave your comments below. I'm really excited today because one, I get to sit in Atlanta traffic for about 2 or 3 hours total round trip today, which is fantastic. If you guys don't know anything about Atlanta traffic, Google it. It's the worst thing in the world, but it's all for good reason. So we're gonna run up to Cummins, Georgia. I gotta do some paperwork for some of our builds, get some things rolling for the business, that kind of thing. It's not something that I wanna sit in traffic to do, but it's necessary things. And I get to come back and we have a piece that we're dropping off for the Tahoe to get painted today. It's not gonna get painted today, but we gotta stop by Magnum Collision. Huge shout out to Lewis. Hey, we're gonna go stop by and drop that off and see if we can get that painted. Huge shout out to Capital Cadillac. Again, I will go over all their information later on in the video when we get to that. But as of right now, update for you guys. I am stuck in bumper to bumper traffic. I've been on the road for about 10 minutes and it's already stopped. So I'm gonna skip through all of this. You guys won't have to be bored with this, but I will see you when we get to Cummins, Georgia. Stop number one, knocked off the list for today. I just sat through an hour worth of traffic just to come finish some paperwork, which is ridiculous. So while we're up here, might as well, I've been seeing a lot of these lifted. I've never filmed with one of these before, so we're gonna hop out and take a look. You can see it in the camera behind me a little bit. It is freaking cold out here too. Look at these Gladiators. Honestly, well, where's the light at? I've seen a lot of people lifting these and doing stuff with these, and they look really cool. I mean, I've been told you can fit 35s on these without having to put a leveling kit or anything. 35s, well, this is not 35s, but I mean, that's got a Fox shocks on it. I mean, this is a pretty solid little Jeep right there. That's not bad. I know, what is it, Street Speed's doing one right now, and he's got 40s on it. I don't know what kind of lift kit but I think a 6-inch lift with 40s on that thing. That's pretty cool. All right, I can't stay too long. We have so much to do today. I gotta hop back in the truck and drive back to Atlanta so we can drop off this piece to Magnum Collision. I'll show you guys when we get there, blah, blah, blah. Back on the road we go. So to give you guys a quick little update, I just spent 2 hours in the truck to grab some papers, and that was it. So I'm on the way to Magnum Collision now, but I'm super freaking hungry, and I've actually been on the phone with JW Montoya. Huge shout out to JW. Love his YouTube channel. Link in the description below. If you guys have not checked out his YouTube channel, make sure to do that. But we're gonna stop and we are gonna eat some Chipotle today, if it will focus. There we go. It is 11:06, they just opened, and I'm gonna go get some Chipotle. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, now that that's done, I'm actually really full. That was really good. I don't know what I'm even talking about. I know you guys are excited now that I've got something to eat. We are on the way, I've been saying it 100 times, we're on the way to Magnum Collision to drop off the newest mod, or the newest little accessory piece for the Tahoe build. We're gonna get that painted, and I will show you guys as soon as I get there, which will be in about 2 seconds right about now. So we are at Magnum Collision. As you can see, huge shout out to Lewis, my guy up here at Magnum Collision. We're gonna drop off this piece. I've been talking about this piece. Let me guys show you what the piece is. I should do this outside. Well, it's kind of cold. I'll unbox it in here. No, we'll go outside. All right. Hitch cover time. So you guys know, obviously on the back of the Tahoes, they have that cover that goes over the hitch, or I guess it goes like this. On these, I know my tailgate's down. On her Tahoe, it'll kind of sit like, where it's like kind of like that. Obviously it doesn't. It's not for my truck, so it doesn't look right, but we're gonna get that painted today. Oh, look, the man, oh, my favorite person right there. Oh, my favorite person. Came to find me. You're the best. See you later. Just like that, parts dropped off. It'll be done, what's today? Wednesday? It'll be done in a day or two, so we'll have that going on the Tahoe in a couple days. Awesome, man. You know, it's really good to just get stuff done sometimes. Try not to. Ooh, I can back in pretty good. It's a really good feeling just to get stuff done. I mean, it's 12 o'clock and we've got so much done today already. I love that. We got one more place to go. We're heading to the tent shop today so we can finish up the video. I know I've been completely blowing off the thumbnail of this video. It's more of a daily vlog, day in the life kind of thing we're doing today, but there is something that we are going to talk about during this video today, obviously. So let's head over to the tent shop, last destination for the day. The main point of this video today was to tell you guys about the discovery that I've made about the exhaust. Apparently, so let me rewind a little bit for you guys. About 6 months ago, my check engine light came on. I'm not sure why, and I went and got the code checked out. I got Zach staring at me behind the camera over here. I got the code checked out, and it was the catalytic converters. Now, I've done nothing to the catalytic converters. I haven't taken them out. I haven't messed with them, nothing. The only thing I've done to the truck is I have taken the mufflers out and the resonator in the middle, which they consider the third cat, but it's really not. So it's a cat back exhaust and then straight pipe behind that. I went, took it, got it checked out. Apparently, catalytic converters were making the O2 sensor come on, and I'm gonna show you that clip right here.
So you still got your cats on?
Yeah, I got the two in the front, not the one in the middle.
That's what it is.
That one? So it finally went off because of that? There's no other codes for anything else?
That's it. That's the only one coming up. P0430.
Let's go! Now, with that being said, I'm not sure why it would make the code come off when I haven't messed with the catalytic converters, but apparently that's what it is. I didn't think too much about it. It went away in a couple of days, and I went on with my life. Now, fast forward, that was March. Now we are in, what month are we in? October, halfway through October, something like that. Fast forward, go back a couple weeks ago, the light came back on again. Again, I'm not sure why. I'm freaking out. It's 10 o'clock at night, so I run down and I get it checked out at 10:30 at AutoZone, right before they close. And again, it's the catalytic converters, and I'm just like, I have no idea what's going on. So I think I've come to the conclusion that with these newer body style trucks, even messing, without even doing anything to the catalytic converters, messing with the resonator on these trucks can make the O2 sensors come off. And I just want to let you guys know that one is stupid. That's really stupid. These new body style trucks, all of these manufacturers messing with all the emissions is really unnecessary, and I don't like it. And two, if you guys are thinking about getting a newer truck, 2014 and newer, at least I'm assuming, because those are really close in the way that they're built, this is something that could happen to you, and I want to let you guys know about that. I really think it's stupid. Now, the Tahoe will not have these issues. It has a tune on it, a cam. All of the emissions have been taken off. All of the computers have been pretty much swiped clean with the tune that's on it, so the Tahoe's never going to have issues like that, which I think leading into this means that we're going to have to do something like this to the Silverado over here. Definitely going to get a tune put on it. Maybe I might go a different direction with it. Instead of doing, you know, the cam and the headers and everything, we might just supercharge it. I don't know, but we've got a lot bigger plans to do with it before then. Thank you guys so much for watching my kind of daily vlog. that we were, you know, kind of doing today. My first try at it. It was pretty fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the little edit I did. I'm messing around with new edits and new music all the time. Always trying to make the content better for you guys. Huge shout out to Capital Cadillac for supplying the hitch cover to us. Huge shout out to Magnum Collision for getting it painted, and it's super quick for us. And again, huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, McTuning. I have a full light bar review and install video coming soon for you guys, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next time, and as always, let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is it? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.